Ginger beer versus ginger ale. The difference explained. Difference in alcohol content. Ginger ale is ginger-flavored, artificially carbonated water without any alcohol content. Meanwhile, ginger beer is naturally fermented and brewed and is classified as non-alcoholic, simply because it contains less than 0.5% alcohol as per FDA requirements. Difference in taste and aroma. Another difference between ginger beer and ginger ale is its flavor and aroma. While ginger ale is mellow and smells sweet, ginger beer has a somewhat spicy whiff and gingery taste. The sugar content is also lower in ginger ale than in ginger beer. An ounce of ginger ale contains 2.6 grams of sugar, while an ounce of ginger beer contains 3.3 grams. Difference in production. The main difference in the production of ginger beer and ginger ale is the use of fermenting agents. Ginger beer uses yeast, while ginger ale uses whey. Ginger beer is traditionally made by preparing ginger and lemon zest and steeping it in hot water. Yeast is then added to this ginger lemon zest tea. After the fermentation process, the mixture is then bottled in PET bottles, then transferred into the fridge. On the other hand, ginger ale is made by making a wort from molasses, ginger root, salt, and water and bringing it to a boil. Whey or ginger bug is then added to it and then bottled. Unlike ginger beer, which is stored in PET bottles, ginger ale uses glass bottles. This is because ginger beer causes glass bottles to burst due to the yeast's gas formation. Is ginger ale a good substitute for ginger beer when making Moscow Mule? Any Moscow Mule lover knows that ginger beer gives the beverage its exquisite taste and refreshing aroma, especially when served in a copper mug. But does ginger ale have the same effect on the cocktail in terms of flavor and feel? The verdict ultimately depends on the drinker's preference. For those who fancy a sweeter, bubblier, and less fuzzy drink experience, ginger ale may be a suitable alternative to ginger beer. But if you prefer your Moscow Mule to have a more intense and citrusy flavor, ginger beer is the one for you. Now that you know the difference between ginger beer and ginger ale, which one do you prefer the most? Honestly, we love both. Either of them brings out all the zesty and spicy flavors of our cocktails. Check out the description box for the best ginger beers for Moscow Mule. Cheers!